Okay, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully this makes it. Today's adventure, we got Johnny 4 in the shop and we're gonna do some electrical today. We're gonna install the blinky light. So let's get some tools organized and get going on this thing. First thing is, we're going to check and see if we got continuity on our connection that we made. So we can see if it is worth going on. We need Mr. Vernal. Set the meter for continuity. No, we don't need Vernal. We need this. So one of these wires should be ground, and we got to find which one it is. And of course, none of them are split. Fix that. Okay, what's going on there? We can't have that. My guess is the weight. We'll find out. That'd be my guess. Okay. What do we got here? Nope. Where's the weight? Okay, weight is ground. We got that going. Now we know which one is ground, which is the white one. And on this end, it should be the old side, which is over here. Let's talk about that guy. Okay. That should be positive. Fuse, of course. Come on. Freaking hold still. We don't have connection here. Ground. Just big Philly. Now of course you can't. Nothing. Does this even work? We'll figure that one out later. So, we got 80 feet of freaking wire here, which is good. Now, we got to find 12 volts. So now we hook this guy to the ground and just go down the line. I'll get you guys in here so you guys can see this. Beep, 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 beep. I don't know where you guys are gonna go. Let's see, one right about there. Is it gonna stay? Is it gonna stay? There, that'll stay. Start with the 30 amps. Let's see. Nothing. Nothing. Turn the key on. Nothing. 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 What the hell, Bell? Come on, we gotta have something. Nothing. Nothing. What the hey, Jay? Nothing. 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 Oh, we ain't got a ground. Our ground ain't connected too well. Yeah. We ain't got a freaking ground set up here. Supposed to have a ground. There's a ground. Okay, we got her. $12.5. Nothing. Ground, positive. Positive's closer to me. Alrighty then. We didn't even need the ultimate or this thing. Didn't even need her. Got her up for nothing. Alright, we'll just set her up here for now. So she's out of the way. Before we make the final connection, we'll just take these. Remember, red was positive. Haha. Put that one there. Now we do need light. There we go. Put a little light on the situation here. I did try to record this where I made this up and put it all inside here, but for some reason, I don't know what's happening when it comes to this video stuff. But we're learning on a day-to-day basis here. We'll figure it out. I always do. Now, there is a fuse on this. I don't know what ampage it is, but we can take that off. Figure it out. Let's see if we got a blinky lady light. There. Okay. That's plugged in. Turn the key on. Nothing. Got The hell, pal? It is power, right? Yeah, we should have power. Yeah, we ain't got a ground. Don't have a ground. You ain't getting nothing unless you have a ground. So you got a ground there, but then there's a ground this over. No. This. Look at this. Right, right, oh. There we go. You bring it up. Wait a minute. Now you. We'll just stick that guy right in there. Off. This ain't the correct way we're doing it, but just a test. This is just a test. That's all we're doing. Until we find out. Take things apart. We're gonna find out exactly what we gotta do. All I'm doing here is now is making that bare wire steps. Hey, so we can do the app first, then we'll connect it on the back side here. I like to put my fuses so you can actually, instead of being upside down. Come on, you. Get you right. There we go. Now we should have 12 volts here. We got a lighty light. Ooh, ooh, there goes that damn duck again. Jeez. Oh, look at that. You can see it. Blinky, blinky. We got her. Ha 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 ha. Ricky Bobby. We got strobe. We have a strobe. So now we got that figured out. You gotta take this bar right here, put it in here. Thanks for watching the video. You ever get yourself in a pickle? I mean, a little light duty mechanical work, not that very hard. I mean, if you got something, some little tools and stuff, I mean, you saw the tools that I use. That little time frame that you just witnessed is one of many. That was just the blinky light. I mean, there's lots of work to be done on that tractor. I mean, it's pretty good stuff there. Yeah, Jack, he's my mulser. He gotta get the mouse, right? Right, Jack? You gotta get the mouse. Where's that mouse? You're gonna find the mouse. Or you wanna go for a truck ride? Yeah, you like the truck, don't you? Well, thanks once again. You guys like to give me a little thumbs up. Appreciate the comments, whatever. I mean, there will be more. And once again, welcome to the channel. And we'll hope to see you on the flip side. Thanks.